Yeah, it's your boy P. Sanderson with your latest installment of How to Fix That Controller. So today, I'm out here on the baseball field. I needed 3 other dudes to help me out. So I got my brother D, my man Nate, and my cousin DJ. Alright, so today I have this white controller and we're gonna show you how to fix it. If you need a mod, holla at me, psanderson32@gmail.com. I can figure out how to get you rapid fire, all that good stuff. But for now, we're gonna play a little baseball. Alright fellas, places. Let's go. Batter up. This is how you really fix those controllers that give you all those problems. Alright. I got my first baseman and my third baseman. We kind of short on people, so here's my batter. You ready? Batter up. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's how you fix it. That's how you fix it. Look at that.
Oh my god.
So for all you dummies who thought you were gonna come here to learn how to fix a controller.
Eat a dick.
Oh man. That's my boy D. Look at that. Pieces. I mean, on point. Look at that swing. That was beautiful. We out.